How to add circle menu to Shopify like this one in front of you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So let's just go and get started. Obviously, this is going to be the menu where people can just view it by the images, the names, and they can just click on it and they will be taken to a link. So let's just go and get to it. So the first thing that you will need to do is actually have circular images for your products or whatever images that you actually want to add in your menu. So once you actually create your circular images, which you can use Canva, any other free tool, really, it's not that difficult to get any. You just want to upload that to your Shopify store. So just go to content, files, and upload them in here. Okay. So once you upload all the images in here, we are just going to leave this page open. We will need it later on to actually add these images to our menu. But for the next step, what we need to do is just go ahead and go down to the description. You should be able to find this code. It's going to be a little bit long code. You simply just want to copy it, open up a notepad, and paste it into the notepad. Now, why I said notepad? Because you will need to actually adjust a few things in here. So you see this div class circle menu container, the first one. You just want to leave this alone, and we're just going to be adjusting these in here. So this is basically menu item number 1, the circle number 1. This is circle number 2, 3, and 4. So it's going to be 4, but you don't want to mess with this as well. So the one at the bottom, you just want to add, if you want to basically add anything extra, make sure you add it in here, in between, not below this, okay? So that's number 1. Number 2, let's just go ahead and talk about what each one does. So what you want to mess with, really, the first thing is going to be the link to the place where you want to send people. So this is going to be in here, the href equals double quotes here. You want to add the link. Now, if you want it to be a link, like for example, google.com, you want to add the https. And then like so, google.com. You want to follow this formatting, this formatting basically. You can just add google.com and it's not really going to work. Next up, skip the div class. Go to image source. This is going to be where we want to add the image. So highlight all of this and you basically just want to delete it. Go back to your Shopify store and go to the image that you want to add, let's say this one, and you should be able to go to the right side and find copy link. So you simply just want to click on copy link and go back to the code editor. And basically just go ahead and paste it in here within the src or the source, okay? So now you have the image and also the link. Lastly, you just want to adjust the name of it. So it says rings by default. You just want to change this to be whatever you want, and it's just going to work for you. So it's going to be the same thing for the rest of them. This is going to be the same thing here for necklaces, for example. So you just want to change this to a specific link that you want, or like it's, in here, this formatting / collections, then the name of the actual collection, and then again, the link to the image in here, and the name of the ring. So let's say you just want to add 3. You don't really want 4 of them. Then you basically just delete the last one like so, just fully delete this, okay? But if you want to add one, you again just copy the last one like so. If you want to add a 5th one, just hit enter twice and do Control V or just paste it in and just change the items that we talked about. So first the link and then the image and then the name of it. So once your link is ready, your code is ready, just make sure you copy all of it, the entire thing, and just go back to your Shopify store. Then simply click on online store and click on edit theme. And you basically just want to choose where you actually want it to be. In my case, I'm just going to hide the header menu and hide the announcement bar. And I'm just going to add it to the header section, but you can feel free to add it to the template section. It doesn't really make a difference. Click on add section, custom liquid. And you basically just want to paste in the code right over here. And you're just going to find your images and your titles and everything. And if you click on any of them, it's just going to take you to the page that you added the link to. And yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.